Okay, imagine this. You wake up late. Again, your alarm, dead, your hair, a disaster. You look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, zombie." You run to the kitchen. No coffee. Only milk from last week. Nice. Breakfast, a dry cookie. Fancy. Today's going to be perfect. You grab your bag, leave the house. And, of course, it starts raining. No umbrella, just vibes. You get to the bus stop, no bus. Just pigeons. One of them looks at you like, "You okay, bro?" Bro, you arrive at work. Finally. Your boss, he looks angry. Super angry. Like volcano angry. He says, "You're late." You smile and say, "No, I'm early for tomorrow." Silence. Not funny. He doesn't laugh. At all. You walk to your desk. Everyone looks at you. You smile again. Nervous smile. Inside, you're crying. Then, the computer. Oh no, it doesn't work. The screen is black. You try to turn it on. Nothing. You try to turn it on. F12. What is F12? Anyway, still nothing. You whisper, "Please work." The computer. Still dead. Just like your soul. You raise your hand and say, "Help." Your coworker walks over, presses one button. Boom! It works. Magic. You say, "I loosened it for you." Classic. Lunchtime. Finally. You open your lunchbox. Surprise. You forgot your lunch. Again. You stare at your coworker's pizza. It smells like heaven. You ask, "Want to share?" They say, "No, heartbreak, you drink water." Gourmet. Then the boss walks in and says, "Meeting time." You think, "No, please." But it's too late. You sit in the meeting. Everyone is serious. You try to look serious, too. But you yawn. Loud. Everyone hears. Your boss stares. You say, "That was enthusiasm." Finally, 5 p.m. Freedom. You run out like a superhero. The sun is back. Birds are singing. You feel alive. You smile and say, "See you tomorrow." But deep down you think, do I really have to come back? Do I really have to come back? You walk home. You survived. You made it. You did your best. Kind of. Not really. But, hey, you tried. Moral of the story, life at work is weird, but learning English makes it better. At least now when your boss yells, "You're late," you can answer in perfect English. Yes, but fashionably late. He might still fire you. But now, with style. Don't forget to like the video, share it with that one friend who's always late to work, and hit subscribe so we can suffer. Learn together again. See you next time, maybe with coffee. Maybe not. Probably not.